well. Welcome to another entry into Dan's Beard's Diaries. We're gonna cut straight to the chase and tell you we're going even shorter. Now, this came about, in the morning I'm doing fasted cardio in preparation for an upcoming physique competition. During the fasted cardio, I tend to get bored and I'll go on YouTube or Instagram, and I happen to come across one of my buddies on Instagram, a portrait that he drew of Thor. And this just so happened to be after I already did a trim, and I saw the picture. I'm all, you know what? I need to go shorter. And I will link the photo into the video right here somewhere. And actually, it was the photo that was in the beginning intro. And my buddy's Instagram name is NY Drawing. I'll post that right here or right here. Anyways, with all that said, we're going shorter. Now, what I initially did, I used an 8 attachment on the beard for the main body, and then I used a 4 for the mustache area and underneath the chin. So now I'm thinking we're gonna go with a 3, and I'm doing this because I need to more or less square off underneath to have more structure in my face as opposed to it looking relatively long. I mean, it's not bad, but I just wanna, perhaps maybe it's a little OCD, I just wanna go shorter, and it should look very similar to the photo that was shown in the beginning. Okay, I guess let's hop right into this. We have our clippers, and I'm going to start this off with the clippers at the shortest level. I'm not worried about it being too short because it's just going to be underneath the beard and maybe even the side of the beard. But for now, shortest level with a number 3 attachment. Now with these attachments and the clippers, and you know what, I've had a lot of questions in regards to the camera that I use, the lighting that I use, the microphone that I use. I'm going to link that all in the description below for those of you that have asked and are wanting to know what I use and where to get them. So those will be there. Okay, so back to the cut. We are going to simply put the 3 attachment on the clippers, and we're going to have at it. This is crazy. I said before that I'd like to take at least a day or 2 in between trims just to make sure I don't do anything too drastic. So I'm really not too worried about this, especially the fact that my beard tends to grow back very quickly, and especially after I get out of this caloric deficit, my beard is going to be growing even faster. And if you're wondering about the caloric deficit and beard growth, I do have a video in regard to that, and I'll link that somewhere around here, and feel free to check that out. All right, let's see here. And I mean, it shouldn't be too hard to do this. So just going through and trimming away. And what I'm using for a reference point is just when I'm not going above my jawline, I'm just keeping everything underneath my jawline for now. And I can already tell it's making a difference. All right, so it's definitely making it look more squared off. Now this is the shortest that my beard has been since 2012. I've taken it down to an 8 before, and then the other day it was a 4 underneath, and now this is a 3, gradually progressing to almost nothing, relatively speaking. I like the way that the length is looking underneath. It's time to do number 3 all the way around. Okay, it's shorter than I initially anticipated for today, but I honestly don't think it's too bad. Let me know what you think about this length in the comments below. Again, I used a number 3 attachment. This is 3/8 of an inch or 10 millimeters at the shortest length on the clippers. And again, that's all the way across or all the way throughout the beard. Next step is I'm gonna go through and I'm going to line up under the beard. I'm gonna keep a nice gradual, or not gradual, but I'm gonna keep a gradual curve to keep it a little more natural underneath as opposed to squared off. And we'll see what it looks like. So with that, I'm just gonna simply use a razor and do that line. And I'm gonna do that right now and then I'll be right back. I think this is pretty much what we're going for. Yeah, I like it. I'll stop right here. Again, it's all about baby steps because you don't want to do anything too drastic, but I'm really liking the feel of this overall look, and I think this will suffice for the upcoming physique competition. As always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. And until next time, peace.